Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about layers in AutoCAD. In this topic we share knowledge regarding layers, how to add layers, how to apply layers to the drawing. So class, let's get started today's topic.
Now we are adding the all layers. Now click on the layer properties. Now click on the new layer. Now you will see the layer 1 option below the 0. Now you can edit it and fill the type. Name is center line. Now you can choose the color for the center line is red. Click on OK. Now click on line type option, then click on load and choose center 2 for the center line and click on OK. Choose the line weight for the center line is 0.15 mm and click on OK. Now set all new layers. Okay class, now we adding the new layer dimensions. Fill the name dimensions in the name window. Now you can choose the color for the dimension. Select the yellow color for the dimension. Now choose the line type. Select the continuous and click on OK. Now choose line weight option and choose 0.18 mm for the dimensions. Okay. Now you can add new layer. Fill the name new layer is hatch. Select color for the hatch is cyan. Now click on OK. After that we can choose the line type is continuous. Then line weight is 0.09 mm. Click on OK. Now you can add new layer. The new layer is hidden line. Now you can choose the color for the hidden line is green. Click on OK. Now you can choose the line type for the hidden line is hidden 2. Click on load and choose the hidden 2 and click on OK. Now select hidden 2 and again click on OK. Now click on line weight and select 0.13 mm and click on OK. Now adding new layer, the name is section line. Now color for the section line is the magenta. Click on OK. Now choose the line type. Now click on load and choose the Phantom X2 for the section line. Click on OK. Now select Phantom X2 and again click on OK. Now line weight for the section line is 0.30 mm. Select on OK. Now adding the new layer is text. Now choose the color for the text is blue. Now click on line type and choose the continuous type and click on OK. Then add the line weight and choose on 0.15 mm for the text and click on OK. Okay class, now we get all layers as per the standard. You can set this layer for your upcoming drawings. For that you click on the set current option and done. Click on exit option. Now class, you will see all layers in the layers properties. Class, I hope you all now understand the layer properties, how to add layers, how to apply layers in the drawing.